We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 33. Mount Fuji in Japan can be modeled as a cone with a diameter of 25 miles and a height of 2.35 miles. Which measurement is closest to the volume of Mount Fuji in cubic miles? The formula for the volume of a cone is V equals 1 over 3, pi times radius, square times height. Pi is approximately 3.14. R equals diameter divided by 2 equals 25 divided by 2 equals 12.5 miles. Height equals 2.35 miles. Substitute the numbers to the formula. We got V equals 385 cubic miles. Hence, B is the correct answer. Question number 34. A new refrigerator comes packaged in a box shaped like a rectangular prism. The base of the box measures 4 feet by 5 feet. The total surface area of the box is 148 square feet. What is the height of the box in feet? The surface area of a rectangular prism equals pH plus 2b. P is representing the perimeter of the base. H is representing the height of the prism, and B is representing the area of the base of the prism. The perimeter of the base equals total of all the sides, which is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 equals 18 feet. The area of the base is B, which is equal to 4 times 5 equals 20. S equals 148 square feet. Substitute all the number to find H, the height of the box. We got H equals 6 feet. That's our answer for this question. Question number 35. 2 student groups went to an amusement park on the same day. Group 1 bought 9 tickets and received a $120 discount, means subtraction. Group 2 bought 3 tickets and received a $30 discount, means subtraction. Both groups spent the same total amount of money on tickets. The price of each ticket was the same. What was the cost of each ticket? Same total amount of money. X is the cost of each ticket. Hence, 9x minus 120 equals 3x minus 30. Solve the equation. We got x equals 15. Hence, C is the correct answer. Question number 36. Which set of ordered pairs represents y as a function of x? In order for y to be a function of x, each value of x is paired with exactly one value of y. Option F and G are incorrect because one x value is paired with 2 different y values. H is the correct answer for this question.